Hello everybody, this is AustinEndO here, and in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how you can remove your guest account or your user account in your Windows 10 guys. So this is a very simple tutorial, so please do follow me. So the first thing what you have to do is you have to go to your start icon over here and make sure that you click on this settings icon over here. After you click that guys, make sure that you click on accounts over here. After you click on accounts, make sure that you go to family and other users, and after that you will see your other accounts over here, and make sure that you click on that and make sure that you click on remove over here. So after you click on remove, it will just ask you that deleting will remove all the data from this PC. So it depends on how much data is there on this guest account or your simple user account. So after clicking on delete, it will get just delete. It was my guest account was almost empty, so it didn't took even much time. So it depends on how much data is there on your user account. So that's how you can remove your user or a guest account from your Windows 10. So I hope that this video helped you. If this video helped you, then please do leave a like, share this video as much as possible with your friends, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, take care everybody.